Hour 3 middays live from Wally Forestry Consultants in Ellisville, Mississippi. We certainly have enjoyed our day here today. Alexander's Hardware, Community Bank of Laurel, Cox Roofing, Howard Industries, the Jones County Board of Supervisors, and Pine Belt Land Title making our remote broadcast possible today, sponsoring the broadcast, and also Hog Heaven Barbecue feeding us. Joining us now, Casey Adams, the Senior Vice President for the Community Bank location here in Ellisville, Mississippi. Is that right, Casey?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good to have you on Middays.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Yes, sir. So what's going on at Community Bank these days? I'll tell you one thing. You got a thriving, bustling community where you looks like we've got lots of economic activity. I got to believe it's good for banking business.
There's a lot of great things going on at Community Bank today and here in Ellisville. You see, we have a lot of traffic. Just a lot of activity going on. There's several buildings being revamped downtown, new offices moving in. Just downtown is bustling, and we're happy to be part of it.
Is that where you're located?
Grow their business. Yes, sir. We have 2 locations here in Ellisville. We have a drive-through location on Hill Street towards the interstate that is open Monday through Friday. Our hours are we're open to 4:30 on Monday through Thursday, then 5:30 on Friday. And then we have our downtown location, which is full service branch, and it's open till 5:30 on Friday. So we are here right in downtown, and we're happy to help anybody we can.
Sure. Interest rates, of course, no surprise there to those listening to us, are up somewhat. Has that affected the demand for loans?
It has some, but, one way to look at it, everything has gone up. As far as our groceries, everything, well, so has money.
Yeah.
But we all still need it.
Yeah.
So it has affected it too. It's affected some of the housing market and everything else, but it's still available. Money's still available.
Sure.
And we still need it. We just have to look at the amounts sometimes we need, but we are still lending it every day.
Talk to us about the financial condition, the balance sheet of Community Bank. You in good shape?
Community Bank is strong. We are very, very strong. Our assets are very solid based. What we lend on predominantly are hard fixed assets.
Asset-based lending.
Yes. We don't do any of the speculative lending, things like that. You've seen some banks on other parts of the country fail, where we have solid financial that we lend on.
I mean, that's the way it's supposed to work in the commercial banking industry.
It really is.
Honestly, those that did loan on, as we like to say, air without proper collateral and security, really were kind of violating the standards there.
It is. They really were. And, we are the small town bank. We still help the everyday person that comes in.
Yeah.
We lend on anything from new real estate to a tractor to anything. We're not going to just pigeonhole anybody to any specific type.
Yeah.
We still do the poultry lending, the chicken houses, to anybody. We are your one-stop bank. And where we feel like we separate ourselves is when you come in, you talk to a lender, that one lender can help you with anything. You're not going to get passed off. If you come in, I can help you with your checking account, your car, your house, your tractor, your beach house, everything. That one lender is a complete banker at Community Bank.
Customers appreciate that, don't they?
Absolutely.
They get comfortable with that relationship that's built with their banker, and they just would prefer to continue to deal with them for all their needs.
And that's what we really strive for, is a relationship type bank.
Yeah.
We don't really go for the one-time transaction. We want to be your relationship, and when your kids grow up, we want to be your kids' banker.
Good approach. And of course, no secret, lots of technological advances as well that have really, I think, improved drastically the overall banking experience. And it seems to me that the best institutions are those that have a combination of all the above. They have the personal touch and the intimate relationship building capabilities with brick and mortar locations, bankers that can help you, but also the mobile and remote tools as well to take care of a lot of your business.
I agree with that 100%. And that's where one thing to toot our own horn is We have everybody local. So if you do have an issue with your mobile app or needing a debit card, you can walk into one of our branches and get your question answered.
Yeah.
We can print debit card on
That's important.
location.
Oh, you can?
Yes, sir.
That's cool.
We went to that. And because when you need technology, I'm not a
Yeah.
strong technology person. So when I have an issue, you can get your question answered right into the branch.
Well, when you fuse the personal touch with the technology tools, that's the best of all worlds there. Sounds like you guys are doing a great job of that.
We do our best to get better every day at it.
We appreciate you joining us and talking about Community Bank. Thanks
Yes,
a lot.
sir. Happy to be